Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix the photo mode missing on TikTok problem. So if you guys are facing some issues with the TikTok photo mode actually missing, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to fix this step by step, so please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we actually need to do first is to go ahead and launch the TikTok application, and once we are already here, I want you to proceed with tapping on the plus icon, and the option for us to access the photo mode is going to be directly located right here. So as you see, we're already on the photo mode, and we can actually proceed with uploading specific stuff from our camera gallery and using that to be uploaded as a photo mode video on TikTok. But in the case that you can't locate this feature, what we could actually do is to double check if we have the latest version of TikTok installed. So basically making sure if we have the latest version of TikTok installed will fix basic bugs like this and ultimately give us the best version and user experience possible by the TikTok developer. So if you do have an update available like this, go ahead and update your applications to the latest version. And that is basically it for this video, guys. I hope you guys learned something and take care.